Alright guys, I have my Flite Delta Ray 1. This is supposed to be a trainer, but I've never really used it as a trainer. I just like to throw it around and fly upside down and do crazy stuff. So I'm using an Flite 2S 280 milliamp 30C battery. I push that as far as I can forward and pop the hatch on, and now we fly. A little bit windy.
I think that's an understatement. Really windy.
So, pretty fast here. Go downwind. Sounds really cool too. Alright, I'm gonna fly a little upside down here. Bringing in inverted again. 3. It sounds really cool. That's why it's called Coolest Trainer. Now this airplane is discontinued. I've had the Bind Fly and the Ready to Fly version. They're both really nice, but they're both discontinued, which is pretty sad. It's a nice airplane. So now I got the prop all the way folded back. You see that? That was an accident. Now just slip it into safe mode. And safe. No hands right now, no hands. Alright, now we're safe.
Ah! Lost it.
Yeah, should have warned you. Whoa.
Car. Tyler! Not cool.
Alright, so this airplane is just a little flying wing. It's got a nice little push across that makes this cool sound. I had another one of these, but I destroyed it at Night Fly. That soon this year when I go to that Night Fly again, I'll be sure to have that on my channel because I never had a channel before that. This airplane will do almost anything. There is no rudder though, so you can't do a whole lot of aerobatics with the rudder. Loops, rolls, I've had it flat before. Try to get it to hover. Oh, never mind. The wind brought me down. This thing in about 30-mile-an-hour wind before, and it's actually very stable. Very stable. Oh.
Okay.
Now you can go get it.
whole entire time, it'll last about 4.5 to 5 minutes. Now, if you're using good throttle usage, you can get about 6, 7, and I've even got 8 minutes before. I'm using a DX6E, so it has a built-in timer that you can set to whatever time you want. I usually have about 5 minutes on it for this airplane. The battery's about to getting a little low, maybe.
Awesome.
Shot up. So I can just go nice and slow, slow and slow. Until you stall and you crash. Alright. So it comes in a nice box that you can bring almost anywhere. Although the ready to fly version, when you get the controller, that will go in your box, but if you're using a bigger controller, like a DX6E, DX8, DX7, those will not fit in the box. Huh? Yeah, I know. Yeah, this airplane is. Yeah, but you can still buy parts. You can buy all the parts and make a whole new one if you wanted to. So, all the parts are available right now, as I know, on Horizon Hobby. Alright, so I think I'm going to bring it in. Well, so, okay. Alright, that's the E-Flite Delta Ray 1. At the bottom here, this is your access hatch to the receiver. If I can get to it. The magnet is really strong. So, got all your stuff in there you need. You can, it'll have the GPS fence line, so you can program it to make it only fly in a certain area. Like if I just want to fly it right here, if you could fly outside of that fence, then it'll fly you right back in and you don't have to do anything. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, whatever. Alright, KBRC is leaving.